Do you want to get hit with some Firewater?
No! I want to get hit with some Serrano bitters.
Why don't you choose, watch the video, and then you can make a fucking drink.
I like the swear. It really got right to the point.
It drives it home.
Yeah, it drives it home.
That's what I do.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Today, Dan and Derek are going to make the Spice Lady.
Spicy.
Now, we're at the end of the month.
Spicy Dead Lady.
Spicy Dead Lady. Did I not say that?
You said spice.
Okay.
Spicy.
Spicy Dead Lady?
Spicy Dead Lady.
Not drunk yet. But for those of you that are going to be like, oh, you're going to...
Yeah, oh my gosh.
Ian is not here this month.
Alcohol.
If you didn't notice, the whole month of July, the time where you want to get like poolside drinks, and yeah, sure, we're making drinks that are make you want to fall down in the pool face first.
That's
but whatever.
Okay.
The Spicy Dead Lady is
Not
going
my
to
fault
be
if you can't swim and drink.
right.
We're pretty adept at it.
Three-quarters of an ounce of mezcal, Aperol, falernum, fresh lime juice, and then a dash of spicy bitters. So we want to break this down. I sell both these, so I have no skin in the game. That's the word. I'm going to go with Scrappy's Firewater bitters. You're going to go with...
I got Serrano's.
Serrano bitters from Boy Drake's World. You can get those available at awesomedrinks.com.
Mine's going to be spicier.
Just two dudes building a lady.
That's right. Spicy lady.
Just two dudes building a spicy lady. So
Spicy lady.
Alright, so I don't have something to measure with.
Three quarters. Yeah, dude, I'm already done.
3/4. So 3/4 mezcal?
3/4.
Okay. 3/4 Aperol?
3/4.
Okay. What? Did you put the cap on this? You dick. You're trying to slow me down.
Fucked him up.
I'm right in saying 3/4 of all this stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So.
Alright, so this is going to be a dash, right?
So what if I did an ounce and a half, an ounce and a half, an ounce and a half by mistake?
Well, then you just keep doing.
Because I'm using the wrong side.
Double with all the ingredients then.
Oh, because then you can't give me any more shit about making drinks.
I haven't done anything
That's
wrong.
a dash,
It's all in
right?
proportion. Yeah, that is 100% a dash.
That's a dash.
3/4 fresh lime juice. Is this fresh lime juice?
That is fresh as you can get.
Right.
I squeezed that with my own hands.
No, you didn't. I did.
I know, but
You put it in a
I
jar,
made it
though.
sound better.
So 3/4. I doubled everything by mistake, so I'll just do 2 dashes of Firewater bitters instead of my 1 because I made a really big fucking drink. Oh, you got ice.
I got it. Oh, you want some of my ice?
No, I'm good. I'm good.
You're taking my ice.
Well,
I mean, you're good.
I'm good. I got ice.
That's a pretty shake you got. Oh, I punched myself in the head. Damn it.
That's where
All right, did I put everything in here?
Hey, did you see that that tight end that we picked up already retired?
Oh my god.
Like, what the hell? The place is too complicated for you, dude. I understand.
Whoa, that's really tasty. What the fuck?
Well, that's good because you made a whole lot of it.
I did.
Oh.
So it's pink. Oh, that makes
It
sense.
is.
It said pink Dead Lady. Spicy
It's
Dead Lady.
spicy.
Yeah, it's orange, really.
Spicy Dead Lady. Firewater bitters. Bitters aren't going to make a difference in color because there's only so many bitters and they're both the same fucking color. So,
True.
all right.
Let's see.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh, by the way, put all the shaker ingredients together and shake it and put it in chili goop. Derek has the Seinfeld Elaine dance down. It's been years since, whoa. It's been years since I saw
That's
that.
pretty good.
Spicy.
Try mine.
That one's not too bad.
I got more. I got another drink in here. Oh, yours is spicier. I like yours better.
Yeah.
Ooh!
Really?
I like it better.
The Serrano is spicier than the Firewater?
Yeah.
It is spicier for the
Firewater's
dash.
pretty spicy.
Firewater is spicy. No, it's not the spice. It's the depth. Like
yeah.
the habanero versus the Serrano pepper. Like
This
the
kind of
depth.
like sits like this. The how it sits like on your tongue. Kind of like on the back of your tongue.
This one just has a little bit more depth to the flavor of the pepper. Like it's got like more.
Yeah.
Like an all around spice.
This one like brings it down.
Yeah.
It, like you can actually like it just kind of.
Shit. I'm going to have to start pimping Serrano more than Firewater.
It's good.
Yeah.
Is it smoky?
It's a good drink.
Mm.
It is.
Our executive producer's
It's a little
Charles.
smoky. You know what it is? I think the apple kind of, maybe in the flarenum,
Yeah.
cut down on the smokiness.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's
But it's like a
See
good
that.
mix between it's a little smoke, it's a little sweet, and
Yeah.
then it's a little hot.
Yeah.
I like this lady.
This is a nice
It's too
thing.
bad she's dead.
I didn't think this was going to be
But is that
good.
wrong?
I thought this was going to be a bad drink.
Just a little.
Just a little?
Just a little.
Just a little? But I mean, this is good too. The Firewater.
Oh yeah, they're both pretty good. I just like I like this. So I would prefer the Serrano, and it's not just I sell both of them. So okay, let's be honest. I'm gonna be transparent here. I make a lot more money on Scrappies than I make on the Serrano, because I'm a distributor for Scrappies. But I like the Serrano better. The Serrano pepper has more flavor. The habanero pepper has more heat, like directed heat. But it's not as hot in this drink for two reasons. I think one is the dasher. I think the
Yeah, it could be.
dasher
Yeah.
for this
Yeah.
is better. Like a dasher dashes out the same amount, which is weird. But I've done the
Not
math.
always. I've seen.
Yeah,
like,
it's the
Like
this
sometimes you
product
really
is
gotta hit it.
Yeah.
Like
so.
Gotta really hit
So
it.
here's
Yeah.
the thing: the dasher is better for a product from the beginning to the end, right? Where this is better most of the way through, but once it gets low,
Yeah.
it becomes hard to get it because you're like scraping way at the bottom to do this. So what
Yeah.
you do is you just go to AustineDrinks.com and you buy a new bottle.
True.
And you just combine
That's right. I mean, throw it away and get a new one.
Right, but so I like the dasher of the dropper style better specifically, but I like the flavor of the Serrano pepper better in this drink than anything else, which is fine because whatever.
They're both good. They both bring some
Surprisingly.
heat.
Steven says, "Would I give you a bad drink?"
Well, you gave me like 10 drinks over Facebook the other day, so and most of them which we've done in the past, way back. But I wanted to try something new so I could deconstruct this and kind of come up with which one was better. Because I need to know. Because when people ask me what's the best, bitter to use for a cocktail, I can at least understand what the differences are. Direct heat, more flavor, and
Yeah.
depth.
Steven said, "Add more bitters to the one that's not as spicy, the Firewater one, and see if it helps."
You want to put a dash in there? I did want to also mention our executive producers, Charles Labanji, I think it is. He's a fairly new subscriber.
Put your
Okay,
finger in and go like that, Dan.
maybe he's not a new subscriber, but he's
I'm
the first
more elevated than
time
that.
on patreon.com/CMC. So if you want to become a Patreon subscriber,
I saved this for later.
/CMC. And I put a new card down because I get a new computer, so I just redesigned all my graphics rather than using the old ones.
Oh, it's getting there.
Getting there. But is it still single flavor,
Yeah, it's just like hot.
single layered hot, right? Right. There's nothing wrong with the Firewater bitters. It's just, it tends to deliver.
It just gives you the spice
fucking
that
hot.
gives you like a pepper spice.
And
It
I
gives
think,
you like a pepper.
I don't know if I have, a Serrano pepper is like the thin red ones, I think.
No, they're green.
Are they green?
Oh, trust me, because I made the mistake. I thought they were the same thing
Is that habanero?
as.
Jalapeno?
Jalapeno.
No, it's the pepper that you
Jalapeno,
like.
okay.
You like roast and eat. Should I just
Oh,
have them too?
it starts with a P? A poblano?
No. Shit, I can't remember.
It's all the drinking.
I just fucking ate them too.
Really?
There's
Are
a
they
pepper in
spicy?
Spain. If you go to like Barcelona, if you go to Spain, they roast a pepper, like a green pepper. They just like grill it or they roast it in the oven, and they kind of char it and they just olive oil and salt. And so I had that when I was in Barcelona, and then I was trying to find the pepper here,
So you went with Serrano?
and I forgot the hell the name is. Jalithan knows the name. I forgot what the name is, but we thought we bought those, and we actually bought Serranos. But they say that when you eat them, there's always usually one really hot one out of the bunch.
Okay.
So I roast them up in the oven, a little salt, pepper. I fucking grab it. I eat the whole thing, and I'm like, holy shit. And like my mouth's on fire.
Padron.
That's what the Spanish one is.
Yeah, the Spanish one.
And then so there's one that's grown here.
It's the same varietal, but in here, made here instead.
Yeah, it has the same like taste profile.
So then,
And then Jalitha
Scoville's-
tried one, and
She's like, "No, it's
and
not
it was
one of
still
the
really
ones."
hot. And then so I tried a third one because I was like maybe too hot of like. And then I was like, holy shit. I'm like, I think I got the wrong pepper. And I look up Serrano and I was like, holy shit.
It's like, what, 50,000 Scoville or something?
Oh, it's fucking hot if you eat a whole pepper.
Yeah, you don't...
Seeds and all?
No, no.
Oh, yeah, no, you eat the whole pepper. Like, you grab it by the stem and you eat the whole thing.
Yeah, you don't eat a Serrano that way.
Anaheim chili.
No.
Anaheim aren't very spicy either.
Shishito.
Shishito. That's it.
Shishito.
It's a shishito pepper.
So shishito and Serrano are
Japanese.
different.
Yeah.
It sounds Japanese. Shishito.
So shishito, they
not
both begin
this.
with S, so that's why I got the Serrano.
You're like, Serrano, shishito, what could really be the difference?
Yeah, come on.
I don't know,
That's-
50,000 Scoville?
Holy fuck.
Oh, okay, put
Oh,
it
yeah,
down.
see? Back from the future knows.
So, the bottom line is what I suggest is you go get yourself...
See? Peggy knows.
See if I can do
Oh,
this.
see, I was Google searching. I should have just.
Yeah.
I
see, they know.
Known, yeah.
Everyone in the chat knows.
So, Boy Drinks World has a Serrano pepper. They have a passion fruit bitters, which if you talk to Adam Elmagarib, who is he creates Adam's Bitters, which I used to sell, did contests and everything. He's kind of a dick in the UK, and he's like, you can't make passion fruit bitters. It's too watery. You can't do it. Like, he fucking did it. Like this, you have those attitudes of people who are like, this is not how you do something.
You cannot.
And then
do
there's
this.
somebody who's like, I can do it, and they fucking does it, right? So the passion fruit bitter is not as tart, obviously, so it won't be as bitter as, say, the passion fruit. I don't think. All right, but those you can add. I would add them to tiki cocktails if you want to.
That you
Probably
definitely
not
could.
ones that already have passion fruit syrup, unless you're trying to balance out the alcohol because it's too potent. Walnut bitters, which tastes kind of like walnut, that you could use as your aromatics. Great for winter drinks like bourbons, stuff like that. So I usually categorize walnut as your bourbon drinks, your passion fruit as your summertime gin, vodka.
Oh, yeah, that would be good.
Serrano as anybody who likes spice.
Anytime you want to kick it up.
Okay. Spice is the way to go. You
Yeah.
want to go with the Serrano bitters versus the other ones because they're not going to give you that spice. That way you get the bitter component, which usually balances out the drink, but then you get the spicy component, which gives you the spice. And you can control it. Unlike our friend here,
Oh, no, we already did that.
500,000
I
Scoville
played that game already.
Naga chili vodka, which you can control, but even in small amounts can radically change your organs. So you don't want to fuck with that too much, because you just put fire.
Oh, Steven said save him a spicy bitters. He'll get in touch with you.
Who? What?
Steven said save him a spicy bitters. He'll get in touch with you.
You don't have to. Don't worry about saving. I'll have plenty of Serrano bitters from here until the end of Christmas. I think, hopefully. So we'll be spicy all up in this bitch.
We spicy. You spicy?
I am fucking
Oh,
spicy
We spicy.
all the time.
All the time.
So our coupon code summer19. Save yourself 20% off until I never told you the expiration date. It's in the bottom, but it's like August 14th. The second thing, like and subscribe to the video because obviously why wouldn't you? The third thing, I guess we're done.
Done.
You think this should go on recipe.awesomedrinks.com?
Definitely.
Okay. Recipe.awesomedrinks.com. Search for Spicy Lady. That is our book. We only put the stuff that we would physically consume in our mouths on the website. Because when I go to Dan's house, or when after the show,
We're making that shit.
I search on my own website. I'm probably the biggest consumer of the website because
Probably.
I'm always searching. I change it to
Well, I am, but I just make you search it and make it.
That's true. I always set serving size to 4
Yes.
and then go crazy.
Jen's always making. Oh no, she doesn't make any drinks.
No, she doesn't.
So
Because if she did, we'd have to get him a
she
whole
just
new bar.
gave me double eagle finger. That's not very nice.
Finger.
Double eagle finger.
Double.
Uncle Bill.
Okay. Sidebar. There's some videos over there. It's probably spicy stuff or something.
No, Steven just donated.
Down below,
Nice.
awesomedrinks.com, bartender starter kit. That's it. We're teaching you how to drink.
All the time. Spicy.